Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, how are you today?
Hello,
Good,
Miss.
ma'am.
More
I'm
than
fine.
I'm
fine.
good. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm feeling very good.
Before we get started, let me introduce myself as your new teacher. My name is Surya Zalbia, and I am 21 years old. I was graduated from Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa University with the major of English department, and I live in Cilegon. And first, I want your class president lead the prayer. Who is the class president in this class?
Me.
Sama, Sir. Oh, Arfan.
Arfan, okay.
Sir, I mean Miss. Sorry.
Okay, Arfan, please
Okay,
lead the prayer.
Okay, class. Attention, please. Before we start our class with Miss Surya, let's pray together. Pray begin. Finish. Salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then now I will check your presence. First, Ahmad Rizaldi. Please say present. Okay. Amar,
Present, Miss.
Arya Tama,
Present, Miss.
Bimo,
I'm here, ma'am.
okay, and Elviana,
Present, ma'am.
okay, Muhammad Jati,
Present, Miss.
okay, and then Nina Hayratunisa,
Present.
and the last is Raihan Herbi,
Present, Miss.
and Muhammad Arfan. I'm sorry, Arfan.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. Well, for today, do you know what we will discuss today?
I
No.
don't know, ma'am.
I don't know,
Okay,
Miss. I have no clue.
We don't have
share.
clue.
I don't.
Okay, I will tell you who. Please wait. You see it?
Not yet, Miss.
You can see the screen?
Still no.
Still
Not yet, Miss.
Nothing popped up yet.
Not.
Wait. My connection is worse.
It is now. It's here.
You can see?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, clear. I can see Jokowi, Miss.
Okay, from this
And-
picture, you can guess what we are going to study today.
News. Caption.
No?
Caption.
Something related
Caption.
with
Okay, Amar, you are right.
news, maybe.
And then, do you know what is caption?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I
Caption.
will share your presentation. Please say.
Some.
Today we will discuss about creating caption. For definition of caption, do you hear before or no?
Yes.
But you wait. Oh yeah, before that I will share you the learning objective of our study. The learning objective of our study is siswa diharapkan untuk mampu membedakan fungsi sosial struktur teks, unsur kebahasaan pada teks, and then pada teks caption sesuai dengan konteks penggunaannya dan mampu mengidentifikasi teks dan gambar penyerta yang menangkap makna secara kontekstual dengan rasa ingin tahu, tanggung jawab, disiplin, percaya diri, responsif, dan proaktif. And then, you know the purpose of caption?
To inform
Explain.
To describe
To inform, to
to
explain.
inform something about a picture or posting.
Yes, you are right, Harpan. And then the purpose of caption is to provide basic information about an object or image. Jadi caption ini adalah untuk mendeskripsikan hal apa yang terjadi dalam gambar secara mendetail. And then the definition of caption is who wants to read the text for the definition of caption?
I want, Miss.
Okay, Nina.
A caption, also known as a outline, is a text that appears below an image. Most captions draw attention to something in the image that is not obvious, such as its relevance to the text.
Ya, benar. Jadi caption adalah suatu teks atau frasa dalam berupa frasa atau kalimat yang mendeskripsikan suatu gambar, dan itu biasanya ada di berita atau dalam media sosial atau yang biasa kalian lihat di Instagram. Do you have Instagram?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, I have.
I have,
Okay.
ma'am. Do you have Instagram, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then there are types of caption. First, identification bar, and then cut line, and the third is summary, and the fourth is expanded, and the fifth is group identification, and the last is quotes. Identification bar is the caption that only explain who are the person in the picture is and what only the person in the pictures. And for the example is Junior John Smith. And the cut line, for the identification bar, ini hanya memuat satu orang dalam sebuah gambar dan menjelaskan siapa orang tersebut. And the cut line is similar for the identification bar, but there are terdapat penjelasan yang menjelaskan apa yang subjek ini lakukan atau what they are doing. For the example is in the state finals, Junior John Smith scored the winning basket. Jadi dalam gambar ini Junior John Smith telah memenangkan pertandingan basket pada final basketnya. And the third is summary. Wait. Summary ini captionnya memberikan penjelasan secara lengkap tentang apa yang terjadi dalam sebuah gambar, mulai dari siapa yang melakukannya, kapan itu terjadi, lalu lokasinya di mana, dan mengapa hal itu terjadi. For the example, who can read the text? Herbie?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
In the state finals, Junior John Smith scores the winning 2-point shot, defeating the Bonanza Bengals 102 and 100 at the Lawlor Event Center, February 11th.
Okay, thank you, Herbie.
Mhm.
And the fourth is expanded. Expanded is a caption more complete than summary, and sometimes it also includes how it happened and there are quotes. Jadi dalam expanded ini bukan hanya mendeskripsikan gambar yang ada di gambar yang ada di platform atau di media sosial atau dalam koran, tetapi juga mengutip sebuah kutipan dari seorang, dari penulis itu sendiri atau dari orang lain. And then, Bimo, can you read this text? Bimo in here?
The slam dunk, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, the slam dunk. Making the final basket of the season against the Bonanza Bengals. Junior John Smith sealed the fate of the team at the Lawlor event. Center Fab 11 Smith sent the winning shot at the buzzer sounded, ending the game 102 and 100. It was like time stood still. I didn't think it was real, like that in real life. The shot fell like it was in slow motion, like in the movie, said Smith.
Okay, for this example, thank you, Bimo. And for the example, can you guess the quotes from the expanded caption? What is the quotes? Can you read it?
It was
Okay, anyone?
It was like time stood still. I
Yes.
didn't think it was really like that in real life. The shot felt like it was in slow motion, like in the movies, said Smith.
Yes. Oke, jadi sebuah quotes atau kutipan itu biasanya ada tanda kutipnya. Do you understand?
Yes, of course.
Okay, and the fifth is group identification. Oh, sorry. In the group identification, this caption is almost the same as the identification bar, but usually for image that contain more than one person. Jadi group identification ini mirip dengan identification bar, hanya saja kalau identification bar memuat satu objek, tapi kalau group identification memuat banyak objek. Okay, and then Elviana, can you read the text for the example? Elviana in here? Okay, and then Amar, can you read the text?
First, Miss. So for the group identification, boys varsity basketball with amazing skills. Bob, Jake, John, Randy, James, Taylor, Harry, Liam, Chris, Kai, Mario, Julian, Johnny, Brian, and Eric.
Okay, thank you, Amar. And the
Welcome.
last of the types this caption is quotes. Quotes can be from the author or other people, which of course must be related to the picture situation. Jadi caption adalah hanya kutipan saja dari seorang penulis itu sendiri atau dari kutipan orang lain atau orang-orang berpengaruh. Dan kutipan ini juga harus sesuai dengan related to the picture, sesuai dengan gambar yang ditampilkan. And for example, can you read Muhammad Jati?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Slam dunk. Making that shot was amazing. Who would have thought the stage game would be so close? I didn't think it was really like that in real life. The shot felt like it was in slow motion, like in the movies, said Junior John Smith. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Jati.
Yes, ma'am.
For the types of caption, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
And then we are going to how to write caption. Bagaimana sih cara menulis caption itu? Yang pertama adalah observe the selected photo and video. Jadi langkah yang pertama adalah kalian harus observasi dulu nih mana video atau foto yang ingin kalian tampilkan dalam sebuah platform atau dalam sebuah sosial media atau koran. Dan di sini saat kalian udah observasi foto dan video, langkah selanjutnya adalah find out the message from the picture. Jadi kalian harus mencari nih apa sih arti dari gambar yang kalian udah observasi. Maksudnya makna dari gambar itu apa, dan saat kalian udah menemukan maknanya, kalian bisa lanjut ke step 3 yaitu membuat captionnya. Write the concise phrase of sentence under the picture. For example, like this. Di sini ada foto sebuah gambar di mana sedang melakukan syuting. Ada 2 orang, dan di sini ada aktor veteran. Dan dalam captionnya kalian bisa menuliskan filming Saija and Adida happily with veteran actress Sena Rosier. Like this. And then for write the caption, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. We
Ma'am.
understand. We do understand.
Okay. And the last is not to remember. Ini adalah catatan-catatan penting dalam membuat caption. Pertama, avoid using articles, an, or the. Jadi hilangkan dalam kalimat kalian sebuah kata yang berisikan an, or the, atau sebuah. Kayak sebuah makanan ada di meja gitu. Jadi kalian harus menghilangkan an, or the, and then use the present tense, subject, verb 1, and object. And the caption provides an explanation that is not found in the image. Hilangkan caption yang tidak berkaitan dengan gambar. Jadi gambarnya apa, tapi captionnya ke gambar lain gitu. And the fourth is caption completes the image, not a substitute for the image. Jadi caption ini fungsinya untuk menyempurnakan sebuah gambar, bukan untuk mengganti sebuah gambar. Jadi caption ini harus berada di bawah gambar, bukan untuk menggantikan gambar atau captionnya taruh di gambar gitu. And the fifth is no need to start with name. And the last is no need to add something obvious like picture here or above. Seperti gambar ini terdapat James, Johnny, and Henry. Jadi kata kayak above or picture here itu harus dihilangkan. And can state the name if it's really necessary. Dan bisa untuk mencantumkan nama jika itu memang penting. And for our material is enough. Any question?
I have a question, ma'am.
Okay. Helbi ya?
Me.
Arfan.
Okay, Arfan.
Okay, my question is why we need to avoid using article like a and the. Why? What reason?
Because for question it's really simple and not like the article text or something formal text. It's just description like a simple way.
Okay, thank
Do
you.
you understand? Okay. Anyone else? Ada lagi yang bertanya?
Miss, how if the image or picture doesn't relate to the caption? I usually find it a lot of something like that in the Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter.
It's not a great caption. Great caption has to relate it for the image. Jadi kalau misalnya captionnya tidak sesuai dengan gambar, seperti kayak di Instagram, itu bukan caption yang baik. Atau bisa dibilang bukan caption, hanya tulis ngasal doang. Can you get
Okay,
the point?
thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nina. And now, if there is not a question, I will give you wait. Can you see the picture?
Yes, Miss.
Maybe you can zoom it because it's a little bit
Okay.
tiny.
Is it clear?
Enough, ma'am.
No.
Miss.
Enough. We have time to answer the question. Berapa menit lagi kita itu pembelajaran kita? Because it's take a long time for answer the question. You need to create a caption with this picture. Is it enough?
Maybe we have already around 30 minutes, maybe.
Minutes, okay. So we don't have time for our lesson, and then I think that's enough for our study. And for next week, I want you looking for a partner and determine this picture to create a caption. And the picture I will send by WhatsApp group. Okay?
Alright. Okay.
Jadi kalian cari
Alright,
pasangan,
yes, alright.
lalu saya akan kirim ini ke WhatsApp. Okay. For closing our study, let's say hamdalah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alhamdulillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you for your hard working and thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.